Beautiful hair is something that many people strive for. Whether it's long and flowing or short and sleek, healthy hair can make a big difference in how we feel about ourselves. But achieving that perfect hair can sometimes feel like an impossible task. That's where topical products such as beautiful hair come into place. One popular ingredient in many hair care products is argan oil. Known for its moisturizing properties, argan oil can help to nourish and hydrate the hair, leaving it looking shiny and healthy. It can also help to repair damage caused by heat styling or chemical treatments, making it a great choice for those with dry or damaged hair. Another key ingredient in many hair care products is avocado oil. Rich in vitamins and minerals, avocado oil can help to strengthen the hair and promote growth. It can also help to repair split ends and frizziness, leaving the hair looking smooth and sleek. Avocado oil is a great choice for those looking to improve the overall health of their hair. Jojoba oil is another popular ingredient in hair care products. Known for its moisturizing properties, jojoba oil can help to hydrate the hair and scalp, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. It can also help to repair damage caused by environmental factors, such as sun exposure or pollution. Jojoba oil is a great choice for those looking to improve the overall condition of their hair. Vitamin E is another important ingredient in many hair care products. Known for its antioxidant properties, vitamin E can help to protect the hair from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help to promote growth and strengthen the hair, leaving it looking healthy and vibrant. Vitamin E is a great choice for those looking to improve the overall health of their hair. Essential oils are also commonly found in hair care products. From lavender to peppermint, essential oils can help to nourish the hair and scalp, leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. They can also help to promote growth and repair damage, leaving the hair looking shiny and healthy. Essential oils are a great choice for those looking to add a natural touch to their hair care routine. In conclusion, topical products containing argan oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and essential oils can help to improve the overall health and appearance of the hair. Whether you're looking to repair damage, promote growth, or simply add a touch of luxury to your hair care routine, beautiful hair can be added to your hair routine. So why not give them a try and see the results for yourself? Your hair will thank you.